How's it going, guys? It's Frank from Xtreme, and we got a really nice car in the shop today. It's a 2024 McLaren 750S. This customer has actually brought us a few vehicles before. We did his previous 720, his McLaren, a C8 Corvette. We did a full body on a Hummer for him as well. So he's used to the quality and craftsmanship of our work. So when he bought this 750, there was already some PPF on it, but it wasn't the quality that he's used to seeing. There's a bunch of relief cuts in certain places where they're not necessary. Not full coverage on the hood. Some of the edges aren't wrapped. The mirrors are peeling. There's just a bunch of dirt buildup all around this PPF. So he brought it to us to make sure that we take care of him. We're gonna remove all the PPF, remove all the tint on the windows, and then, you know, PPF the entire vehicle as well as all the windows plus the windshield. This is gonna be a really fun project, and we're excited to show you guys the whole process.
Do you want this? Do you need it? Are you gonna buy it? Do you need it? Okay. Inspiration strikes on your shopping spree. Baby girl, you're feasting, you're a killer queen. Let me take these off your hands, call me the shopping shrink. Meditate how many times you couldn't get what you need. Now every single thing you want is at your feet. Make them wonder how you keep them at the edge of their seat. How many pillows does one princess need? Now tell me, do you feel anything? I think that you should have it. Are you gonna buy it? Oh, you should try it. Try it. I think that you should have it. I think that you should have it. I think that you should have it. Okay. Do you want this? And do you need it? Are you gonna buy it? Do you need it? Okay. Inspiration strikes on your baby girl, you're feasting, you're
it is, guys, the final result on this 750S. This thing came absolutely amazing, just in time for the owner to take it to a car show tomorrow. He gave us a deadline. We were able to meet it pretty easily. He wanted to make sure that everything was taken care of and ready to go before his car show. We ended up removing all the PPF that was on it. If you guys remember that video, or earlier in the video where we showed you the edges of the cuts were kind of exposed. There was dirt accumulating. Some of the patterns weren't fitting the best. So got rid of all that stuff, put brand new PPF on the entire vehicle. And I mean everything. All the black accents, all the orange, everywhere that there is paint, it is PPF. We also removed the window tint that was on there, and we put some brand new FormulaOne ceramic tint on there, even the windshield. This thing looks absolutely menacing, looks really, really good, and ready to go for the car show tomorrow. And don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see what's next. I don't even know what's next, but hopefully it's just as fun as this thing. We'll catch you next time.